Welcome to English Language and Literature Jenkins. In the series of interrogative sentences, today we will discuss future tense interrogative. We make interrogative sentences. We use helping verb before the subject, and at the end of the sentence, we use question mark to make interrogative sentences. In future tense, we have helping verb will. Future interrogative sentences, in future simple, we use will before the subject. In future continuous tense, we have helping verb will be. We use will before the subject, and after subject, we use be. In future perfect, will have helping verb. We use will before the subject and have after the subject. Future simple interrogative, helping verb, subject, verb first form, object, question mark. Will I write a letter? Will he write a letter? With all subjects, we use will. These are the examples of future simple interrogative. Will I write a letter? Will we write a letter? Will you write a letter? Will they write a letter? Will he write a letter? Will she write a letter? Will it write a letter? Will Aslam write a letter? Future continuous interrogative, we have helping verb will, subject, and then be, verb ing form, object, question mark. Will I be writing a letter? Will we be writing a letter? These are the examples of future continuous interrogative. Will I be writing a letter? Will we be writing a letter? Will you be writing a letter? Will he be writing a letter? Will she be writing a letter? Will it be writing a letter? Will Aslam be writing a letter? Will they be writing a letter? Future perfect interrogative, will, subject, have, verb third form, object, question mark. We have helping verb will have. Will I have written a letter? Will he have written a letter? These are the examples of future perfect interrogative. Will I have written a letter? Will we have written a letter? Will you have written a letter? Will he have written a letter? Will she have written a letter? Will it have written a letter? Will Aslam have written a letter? Will they have written a letter? These are the example of future perfect interrogative.